In today's episode of Simp Kitchen, we have special guests Cameron Ireland and Bruno Maldonado. And I'm here with my co-host Matthew Carter, and I am your chef, Mason Randolph. In today's episode of Simp Kitchen, we're going to be using the cutting board, grater, wooden spoon, ladle, ruler, peeler, rolling pin, spatula, fork, rubber spatula, pot. What we have here is a wide variety of kitchen appliances. Oh wait, not appliances. Who cares? Can you tell me what the cutting board is?
The cutting board is used to cut things and protect the surface underneath from damaging marks.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Thank you, Cameron.
So here, our other utensil here is called
The grater.
what does it do, Bruno?
You see, when you have cheese or butter, you just slice it here, turns it into a lot of little pieces, for your salad.
Oh. Butter in a salad.
Or pizza.
And you're moving. Just move all the way back here.
I know. I'm pretty sure this is a ladle. You see this pot right here? Is it in the shot?
Yeah, it's in the shot.
And then you dip it in, and you pour it on your pizza, and then woo. And if you want, and then you put it back in.
You can't do that. You can't do that.
It's officially We're rolling.
So this little bad boy right here is the ladle. This ladle here is used to dip into your pot and pick up sauces, and you can serve. Item is going to be the ladle. As you can see, what we use the ladle for is to dip into a sauce or a soup, and you can use it to serve to your family. You know, just that simple without getting your hands dirty. Alright, yeah.
This is the peeler. It is for potatoes and such items.
It's a peel.
Yes.
Alright, Bruno, this here is the wooden spoon. You please explain to the audience what it does.
Well, basically a spoon, but you use it to stir hot liquids.
Sixth item to work with is rolling pin. Cameron, would you mind explaining to me what this does?
Absolutely. You see, the rolling pin is used to flatten items. Absolutely. You see, the rolling pin is used to flatten dough. Various like
Don't worry, we'll have like
cake
We'll edit it
or
out.
dough.
Seventh item on today's list is the straight edge spatula. Much like the rolling pin, you can use it to flatten items, or on your cake is how you spread the icing on the cake. I didn't know. Really? Oh, okay.
It's pretty simple.
Cuts? Cut what?
I'm not a chef.
You can also use it to cut cakes and pancakes and oatmeal. Ninth item on the list is fork. We use the fork to pull the meat out of the pot here.
what's that?
Nothing?
Fork.
Fork, yeah, the fork you use here to pull the meat out, and you can put it on your tortilla, your plate, the barbecue plate,
Guacamole.
You can also use it to pull out hot dogs off the grill or hamburgers.
What I tell you guys about calling for help?
Edgar, no, it wasn't like that. Edgar, it wasn't Edgar,
It wasn't like that.
It was him.
We're gonna do the pot. No, but what's up? What else is it? Is the phone? Is the phone? I wanna go home.
I want to go home too.
We're doing this.
Do what the nice man says.
All right.
Yeah,
All right.
we got the message.
If I, the message. You're gonna do this,
Alright, I
and we're gonna
promise.
do clips.
Hey.
All right. I'm gonna keep doing this. All right. You see this? This is your rations. This is gone. This is gone. All right. You don't get to eat tonight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rolling, guys. You know what to do this
Hey,
time.
What we have here is a pot. For you black people that don't yeah, you know what I mean. Today's 10th item we have is a pot. All right, co-host Matthew. What does the pot do?
It holds items when you are cooking them.
Like what?
How many items?
As long as it doesn't overflow while
6
boiling.
liters of items you can hold in that. Wait,
don't-
please don't hurt.
Are we done
touch
that
it.
here? Oh.
We're done.
I thought we were doing
See you next time.
Huh?
On,
I thought we were doing
No, we have 10 items. We're done.
we'll see you next time on Kitchen Nightmare.
Legit a nightmare.
kitchen held hostage.
What?
Nothing. What? That's stupid.
You gotta end. You gotta do the ending. You gotta say your end line.
Oh my god. Why is he going to say kitchen?
I don't know. It's just Bruno. This is mostly because of Bruno.